Today we're going to look at creating a Flipgrid assignment. Your teacher may have you start in Google Classroom. Go to the assignment in Google Classroom. In this case, it is a book talk, but it could be in any topic. Click on the link to Flipgrid. Join with your Google login. You will already be logged in on your Chromebook and through Google Classroom. Click on your name and click Allow. Flipgrid will have the instructions here that your teacher leaves you. They may have a picture or a video or an audio explanation. This little blue button is the immersive reader. That will read out the instructions if you would like it to be read to you. As you move down, you are going to use the camera. You can either use a big red camera button or record a response. They both do exactly the same thing. You're going to click the icon. And the first time you use it, it's going to ask to allow to use your camera and microphone. And it will give you a little tip right here that says, in this case, you have 1 minute, 30 seconds to record your video. The time limit will be set by your teacher. Click anywhere on the screen to get rid of this little box. And you will see a few tools here. The first one up here is the topic. It will go over the instructions and you can scroll down to see and remind you of what you need to do. And you can click that button again to hide it. The next one is a sticky note, and that's like a teleprompter. And you can type in there what you would like, and you can even move it right underneath your camera. So as you're reading it, your eyes are looking right at your audience. The sticky note will not be seen when your video is done. You can even copy and paste text if you have something here. So if I was going to do my book review, I could put in information about what I'm going to say. When you are ready, you're going to click the camera button. That'll turn on the camera. It will give you a countdown. Make sure you're fully in the screen so you can share what you're doing and answer the prompt that your teacher has given you. In this case, I'm going to share one of my favorite books, The One and Only Bob by Catherine Applegate. I really love this sequel to The One and Only Ivan, and I would highly recommend this to my friends because it's very interesting. Bob is a great character. I love how it continues on the story from The One and Only Ivan. When you are done with your video, you'll click the stop button, and it will let you, on the next screen, play it back and see if you like it. You also have the option to use some of these features here to add to your Flipgrid. One of the things that's great for math is you can use the whiteboard to demonstrate a math problem. There are drawing tools and stickers and text that you can use to show your work. You're going to click Next, and you're going to review it. Watch the whole video to make sure that it makes sense. You can add more to it with the Add More button, and then hit the Next button. You can take a fun selfie so your teacher and your classmates can see who did this. You can also use a sticker. If you don't want to be seen, you can use an emoji sticker for that. So I'm going to take my selfie and hit Next. And it's processing. You're going to make sure your name displayed is the correct name for you. If it's your username, you could change it to your first name and last initial, and the title. For this, since it's a book review, I'm going to put the title of the book. If it's a math problem or something like that, you can give it whatever title is there. And you're going to submit the video. then your teacher will get a notification that lets them know that you have submitted your work. Now, because if you'll see on this green plus sign, this one has the word moderated down here. That means it won't show up here until your teacher checks it to make sure it fits the assignment. And so it will show up after he or she approves it. You'll come back to your classroom tab, and don't forget to mark as done. And that's it. You've done a Flipgrid.